I'm going to show you now how to create this fantastic braid. First off, I'm taking my latch hook and I'm underneath the ponytail. I'm slipping through about 1 meter of elastic. So I have it knotted completely in the middle of the elastic. This is a two-person job, so I'm going to ask my assistant to hold the sides while we now crisscross the hairs. So if you watch what we're doing, we're crisscrossing the elastic from the top to the bottom, while I now take the top over from the left to the right, and my assistant goes from the top to the bottom. So it's really important to keep the elastic very taut. Now notice how I'm now going to pass the hair from the left over to the right, over the top. Now my assistant comes through once again. She's coming from the top to the bottom and crisscrossing over. So my top piece of hair, notice how the same section is going on the top and the same section is going on the bottom. So everything from the left goes over, everything on the right is under. Top comes over and the left goes under. And we work this all the way through to the bottom. The assistant is keeping the elastic very firm. Once we get to the bottom, we tie a knot. Now, it's probably advisable to tie the knot about 3/4 of the way out because we plan to pull all this hair out. If you take it right to the end, there's no hair to pull out. Now, very carefully, starting just on the outside of these loops that we've taken across, pull the hair out to give this beautiful waved effect. So hold it firm. You will find sometimes the hair from the bottom wants to pull in, so you're going to have to keep working the hair up and down the head to keep the same dimension all the way along. What a beautiful, beautiful braid this has turned out to be. Now, as far as the piece of elastic through the middle, I think the elastic works extremely well because it does give a lot of tension to the hair. But there's also some beautiful elastics that are actually gold and silver out there. So we'll definitely be looking at that as an option because you can't hide the fact that it's got some elastic through the middle. So look for some beautiful gold stretch elastics, and I think you'll find that that will be a really beautiful finish for this look. So I'll work right through to the top and I continue to fan it and get the width that I can. But look at that, it's like a beautiful wave movement all the way through the panel of the head.